Hi, and welcome to the fourth grade math lesson on place value. Be sure to grab the worksheet. It's found on my website. There's a link in the description. All right, enjoy. Hello, students. Welcome to fourth grade math. This is about place value, and I have a bunch of lines here, and each of these lines represent a place value, and I got commas here. So, what are the place values? They start on the right-hand side. And the first one is the ones place. So I'll place that there, the ones place. And then after that is the tens place. And after that, you got the hundreds. And that's not going to fit. So I'm going to have to, all right, that's not going to fit. I'm going to have to squeeze that one in, turn it around, and that's still the hundreds right there. And then after that, we have the thousands. That's the first number that's after the comma right there. Let me squeeze that around right there. So thousands. And then we have the 10,000s. Squeeze those in. The words just get longer and longer. And then the 100,000s. And the millions finally, right there. So what you'll probably notice, hopefully, is that, you got the tens is the second spot. And over here, the tens is the second spot after the comma. And then the hundreds is the third spot. And here, the 100,000s is the third spot after the comma. So how do you write a number like this? First, we have to identify what is the number. Well, this right here is in the thousands place. You see that comma right there. So these are in the thousands. So that's 23,000. 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 5 ones. So together, this is what it looks like written out. And there you are. It's pretty long, huh? When you look at this, 23,000. And it's like the comma is like a pausing place. So 23,000. Okay. 425. 425. All right, here's another one. Super long number. And I'll read along with you as you follow along. Notice here also, every 3 numbers you have a comma. 3 numbers, a comma. That makes big numbers like this in the millions easier to read because you'll see, oh, I have 2 commas. This number after it must be in the millions. So we have 6,708,000, take a breath, 213. So let's break down how to write this super long number in word form. So 6 million, so we have 6 million. Then how many thousands do we have? Well, we have 708,000. So that would be 708,000. Then finally, how many hundreds do we have? Well, we have 213 hundreds. Really, we don't have to say how many hundreds we have. We just call it 213. And that is the number written in word form. And so since it's important to know how to spell all these numbers, here's your one-stop shop. These are the most important ones that you got to know. And some of them are a little tricky, like 9 has an E at the end, 8 has a H in there. And so 9 is N-I-N-E, 19 is 9 with a teen, right? And then 90 has no E in it. So there's a couple little tricks here, but pause it here whenever you need these numbers to be spelled out. Something else you got to know is how to write numbers in expanded form. First off, what is the number? It's 32,000, take a breath, 718. Whenever I see that comma, I think taking a breath. So 32,000, let's start with that. 3 is in the 10,000s place. And so write in expanded form, since the 3 is in the 10,000s place, we have 30,000. 2 right here is in the thousands place. And so Now we have 30,000 plus 2,000. That makes 32,000. And the 7 is in the hundreds place, so we say, well, it's plus 700. The 1 here is in the tens place, so there's just 110 right there. And finally, 8 is in the ones place, and we just throw the 8 right there. So this is known as expanded form because we took that tight number and expanded it out. Here's my last example where it says 4,302. So we have 4,000. So 4 is in the thousands place. All right, 1,000, got it. 3 is in the hundreds. There's 300s. Boom, 300. But now we have nothing in the tens place, so we're not going to put anything there. But we do have 2 ones, so we'll just represent that as 2. And this would be the expanded form of 4,302. Now, you might have learned something here, but you really know it if you're able to practice it. And I have a link in the description to some practice problems directly related to this lecture. Let me know how it comes out for you. Thanks for watching.